Hi you guys, today I'll be doing a get ready with me, even though I have nowhere to go. I'm gonna first start off by moisturizing my skin. So I have the Ordinary's Rose Hip Seed Oil. I just want to use this so my makeup has a nice canvas to glide across. And I want to make sure that I'm getting all the moisture that I need, so that way my makeup doesn't look dry. Next, I'm going in with the Shea Moisture's Daily Glow Priming Moisturizer. And I really recommend this. Even without makeup, it makes your skin look really nice and flawless. So I would really recommend this. It has a nice golden undertone. After that, I'm going to do powder. I'm going to use the e.l.f. HD translucent powder all over my skin. And then I'm going to set that with the NYX Dewy setting spray. After letting it dry, I'm going to move on to primer. I'm going to use the Milk Makeup Luminous Blur Stick, and I'm going to basically set that in with my beauty blender, which I'm going to dampen with rose water. Just gonna pat that in, make sure it's nice and even over my skin. Here's me singing Angel by NCT. Not really singing, but y'all get the point. Next, I'm gonna do my brows off camera, because why not? Come back and boom, brows. Look at that. I also did my base. And now I'm going in with the LA Girl concealer. I'm basically just gonna do it in all the spots that light naturally hits. So under my eyes, around my nose, into my smile line, and underneath my mouth. After I finish with that side, I'm gonna do the other side. And I'm also gonna do my forehead and down the bridge of my nose. In all the spots that I did my concealer, I'm just gonna set that in and blend it in with my beauty blender. After that, I'm gonna use my Too Faced concealer in a shade that's closer to my skin tone to basically just balance out the light. And then after I'm finished with that, I'm gonna bake in all the spots that I put concealer in. After I'm done with that, I'm gonna be doing my contour off camera. So when I come back, I'm gonna finish my contour. Now I'm doing my highlight on my nose, at the tip of my nose, and at the bridge of my nose. I'm using the Artist Couture highlighter in the color Conceited. And I'm also hitting my upper cheekbones as well as my Cupid's bow, and back again at the tip of my nose and the bridge of my nose. After I'm finished that, I'm going to set it again, and then I'm going to come back with my eye look. Here I am with my eye look. I basically just did a cat eye with a brown shade in the crease and a nude shade on the lid, and now I'm doing my lip color. So I'm starting off with a black liner, the LA Girl black liner, and this is my first time using black liner, so I was pretty nervous about it. After I'm finished with my liner, I'm going to smudge it across my lips with chapstick so it has more coverage, and then I'm going to go in with my NYX Clear Gloss and basically coat over it. I kind of liked it. I think it looked cute for my first time doing black liner. Now I'm going back in with my Artist Couture highlight and hitting that Cupid's bow again where there was any smudge off. The inner corners of my eyes. And now I'm going to be doing lashes. Or I thought it was until I started singing. Y'all can tell I really like NCT. Y'all should really listen to NCT if y'all not. Honestly, truly. That girl is getting it. Okay, Mariah. That ear hole. Come on. Get into it. Y'all can tell this is my song. So now I'm finally gonna do lashes. I'm just using the Duo brush on and clear. And the lashes I'm using are from Amazon. I can do a lash haul if y'all would like to. I have a lot of lashes. And before y'all say anything, yes, I do put on my lashes with my fingers. Tweezers is just too hard. I don't know how y'all be doing it with tweezers, but fingers you just put it on. Bang. This is good. I really liked it. It's my first time doing it, so let me know how I do in the comments. I felt so good, y'all. I had to eat a gummy. I kind of like this look. Get into it. So now I'm just setting the rest of my face again with the Dewy NYX setting spray, and again going back into that highlight. Again, I'm gonna have all the products that I use for this video in the description box down below, so be sure to check out the products if you have any interest in them. After I'm done with my highlight, that basically concludes the video. I want to thank you so much for watching all the way. Please like, subscribe, and comment down below. And let me know what other videos you'd like to see from me in the future. Thank you.